Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Let's solve this complicated looking sequence that you see here. It looks pretty complicated. Let's find an easy way to solve this with this metric. So let's get into it. Okay, we have here a sequence of radicals, but you notice they have a pattern. We have 3, 4, root 4, root 5, root 5, root 6, and so on. It goes on to root 7, root 8, root 8, root 9. Okay, the trick here is cancel out square roots. If you have two square roots appearing in your denominator, let's cancel them out. So we cancel the 4 and the 4, the 5 and the 5. Obviously there'll be a 6 and a 6, 7 and a 7, and a 8 and a 8, and the only ones left will be the 3 and the 9. Okay, and then we take the larger number minus the smaller number. Alright, the larger number was root 9 minus root 3. And we get this is equal to 3 minus root 3. Voila, that's your answer. You follow this when you have sequences like very similar to this, whether the sign is addition or subtraction in any, but it has to follow this order, and you could follow this very simple trick to get your answer. Let's work on another one. Let's look at this sequence. We have root 100, then 99, 99, 98, 98, 97, 97, 96, and so on all the way to 2 and 1. And here you notice the signs are subtraction, addition, subtraction. That doesn't matter. We work it out again. We cancel all the numbers that appear twice. We are left with the largest and the smallest. The largest number is root 100 and the smallest number is root 1. Root 100 is 10 minus 1, and we get 9. Wasn't that so simple to solve? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Math Made Easy with Frida. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.